Hello, my lovely, beautiful people. It's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are well. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for watching. Please thumbs up and give this video a like. I do appreciate you guys spending a little time with me today. I am always happy to sit here and bring you guys videos every single week. And I thank you for coming. And so we're going to do a little haul today. And this is from Bath and Body Works. I love this time of year, guys, don't you? I mean, the month of September, the weather is a little bit cool, but you can still get away with a little sweater and a little scarf and maybe a sandals. Then you're getting into Thanksgiving, then Halloween, then before right into Christmas. And with that comes beautiful scents and all of that from Bath and Body Works, the body shop, from the stores, beautiful candles. And it's all about seasonal changes. And I just love that about this time of year. And so I do have a haul for you guys from Bath and Body Works. And of course, Bath and Body Works always have sale on. It's like buy three, get three free, buy two, get one free. There is always stuff going on at Bath and Body Works. Sometimes they do have special sales. And so we are going to start with these hand sanitizers. You guys are going to like these. I picked up two of the peach. It's called Peach Bellini. And here they are. The hand sanitizers used to be in a bigger bottle, but these are a little bit smaller. They're like $4.95. And let me just, smells really nice. Oh my God, it smells lovely. And oh my God, you can smell the peach afterwards. It smells really, really cute. So I picked up two of these, and then I picked up one. This one is mahogany apple. This one smells amazing. And let's just spray that. Should be in the middle of your hands, but whatever. Yeah, this smells like a man's cologne. And I got three of them. They're really, really nice. Lovely, lovely hand sanitizers. As opposed to always smelling that strong alcohol smell all the time when you pull out your hand sanitizer. It's nice to pull out a hand sanitizer that smells really nice. And again, I got three of these. And they are from Bath and Body Works. And I also picked up three of these ones as well. These are also hand sanitizers. And I just grabbed any three. This one is Cozy Vanilla. This one here is called Into the Night. And this one is called Sunshine and Lemons. Let me just try this one and see. Ooh. Oh my God. It smells very, very refreshing. Oh my goodness. And I just got over COVID again for the second time. And I am always about hand washing and hand sanitizing. So hence the reason why I picked up these from Bath and Body Works. And I don't remember how much these were. I think they were just really, really inexpensive. So I got three of the small ones here. And I've got three of the sprays. Always like to have them handy because you never know. Yes, my friends, I had COVID again for the second time. I could not believe it. I felt totally fine. But then I think it was a Thursday right after work because I had the Friday off. Everything just went to shits from Friday afternoon. I was totally sick. And I thought to myself, let me rule out COVID by testing myself. And then when I saw the two thick red lines on that stick, I thought, oh no. Oh, please don't tell me. Please don't tell me I've got COVID. Anyway, so I'm always stocking up on hand sanitizers. Always. So next we're going to go into this baggie here, and I picked up some of their skincare products. I never ever tried in my entire life any skincare products from Bath and Body Works, but I'm really excited to see how this is going to work. So this is the clay face mask, okay? I mean, have they always had skincare products? Maybe I've never really looked, right? Because I'm always into skincare. You guys know that, right? Oh my God. It smells like a slight peppermint scent to it, and there it is. I can't wait to try this, and I'm hoping that this is not going to dry on my skin. This again is the clay face mask. This is the daily face wash right here. Can't wait to use this as well. And I think it's from the same line. Is it from Bath and Body Works? I mean, who knows? Yes, I think it is. And this is a hydrating face cream. Let's just open this up. Oh, just a slight scent to it, but nothing too crazy. Ooh, and you know, you get a good size jar, right? I don't want to have to stick my hands in it. And this is the Daily Face Lotion. Okay, Daily Face Lotion. This is a hydrating face cream. Because the creams and the lotions are always different. This is the mask right here. And this is a face wash. I am going to definitely feedback to you guys and let you know how I'm liking those products, because I am all about skincare. And so I picked up some body lotion. This is called Brightest Bloom. Let me just open this up. Oh my God, it does smell like fall for real. I love the little packaging right here. Okay. And I think it was buy 3, you get 3 free. So it was 3 of this is a body cream right here. Okay. So I picked up 2 of the body lotions because I love the way it smells. And so I didn't really want to run out. And then I got the body cream, and it's called the Brightest Bloom. Okay. And oh yeah, no, I did. I'm sorry. So I got 3 of the body lotion because it smelled really good and I didn't really want to run out. And this one here is called Into the Night. Oh my God, this smells amazing. Oh Lord. You should try this scent. If you are going into Bath and Body Works, pick up this scent. It's called Into the Night. And this is the body lotion. Smells really nice. Oh my God, let me smell that again. Absolutely wonderful. So in the other bag right here, I'm just going to remove the receipt. Okay. So this is another Brightest Bloom. So it was buy 3 of these and you get 2 free. Because I love the scents. All of the scents from Bath and Body Works smells amazing. And I think this is another Into the Night body cream, because I love the way this smells. I mean, you can go absolutely nuts when you go into Bath and Body Works because you can spend all your money in there because everything smells so good. And so Into the Night, Bath and Body Works, this is the mist. And I gotta tell you something, this smells wonderful. When I tested this in store, I was like, I must have this. I must have this. So when you put on your body lotion and then you put on the spray, oh my God, it's going to smell lovely. And I got three of them. And I think what I'm probably going to, something just fell, that's okay. Something is always falling off my desk. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a couple of these as gift as well, because they do smell really nice and I do love body mist. Okay. And these are just so pretty. Oh my God, they smell so nice. Oh my God. Anyway, so I am going to leave all of these things in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to try some of these scents. That would be absolutely amazing. And again, it's buy 3, get 3 free, or you buy 3 and you get 2 free, something like that. And don't forget to pick up the hand sanitizers. You will not regret it. They smell really, really amazing. And it's always good to have one in your bag, in your car, at work, on your desk, because I have a hand sanitizer at work all the time on my desk. And of course, whenever I step out from my office and I come back, I wash my hands and I spray. So these are really nice to have. And again, you can give these as gifts anyways. Okay, so I do hope you guys enjoy this video today. Again, I'm going to leave these things in the description box for you guys, and I do hope you enjoy, and I will invite you to come back next week for another video. And I thank you for watching. See you next time. Toodles.